Hallo und herzlich willkommen bei KidsGerman. Ich bin der Kian und ich freue mich, dass du da bist. Heute sprechen wir über 17 Begrüßungen auf Deutsch. Welcome back to KidsGerman. My name is Kian and today we'll be talking about 17 easy greetings in German. So even if you don't have any experience in learning German or you're just starting out, this video is for you. 17 easy greetings in German oder 17 Begrüßungen auf Deutsch. However, before we start, it's important, take a pen, a pencil, and a piece of paper to take some notes, okay? That's very important. Also, take your time, stop or rewatch the video if necessary. As I mentioned before, take notes. Because that's very important. Das ist sehr wichtig. Ja? Schreib dir alles gut auf. Und natürlich viel Spaß. Of course, have a lot of fun. Nummer 1. Hallo. Hi oder hey. Hallo. Hi. Hey. So that's pretty much the same in various languages. Except for the first one, we say hallo, we don't say hello or hola, we say hallo. But hi and hey is the same as in English, yeah? Of course, it's also informal, very important. Nummer 2, Number 2, Guten Morgen. Repeat after me. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning, and we can say Guten Morgen until about 11 o'clock. Nummer 3, Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag translates to good day. Since we don't say good afternoon or we don't have an equivalent to good afternoon, we simply can say Guten Tag from 11 o'clock all the way to 6 p.m. Guten Tag. Number 4. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Good evening. Guten Abend. And you can start saying Guten Abend from 6 p.m. onwards. Nummer 5. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Now, I know it's technically not a greeting. However, I think it's a good idea to learn Gute Nacht along with Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, and Guten Abend. So here we go. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Nummer 6. Wie geht's? Wie geht's? And yes, while wie geht's means how are you, it's also a greeting for us. Simply, hey, hallo, wie geht's? Hi, wie geht's? As you can see, we can combine, right? We can combine a few of those greetings. We'll get to that by the end of the video, so stay tuned. Nummer 7. Alles klar? Alles klar? Again, it's informal and often used among kids and teenagers. Alles klar? You can compare it a little bit to what's up. Hi, alles klar? What's up? Alles klar? Nummer 8. Servus. Servus. Now, Servus is a regional greeting and commonly used in Bavaria and Austria. So if you happen to live in Köln, Berlin oder Hamburg, Servus is not used there. Number 9. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Again, that's a regional greeting, also mainly used in South Germany. Grüß Gott translates to greetings to God. Grüß Gott. Nummer 10. Moin. Moin is also a regional greeting. However, this time in northern Germany. That means in Hamburg and around. Moin. The next one. 11. Nummer 11. Hallöchen. Hallöchen. Hallöchen is informal, friendly, and pretty playful among friends and family. So again, Hallöchen. Hallöchen. Nummer 12. Grüezi. Grüezi. Now, grüezi, careful, is Swiss German. But I know some of you are already living in Switzerland or perhaps considering to move to Switzerland. Now, grüezi translates to simply hello or good day in Switzerland. Nummer 13, number 13. Nadu. 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 Nadu is informal and really just simply translates to hey there. You can often hear older people addressing kids with Nadu. For example, the teacher at school or kindergarten. Nadu, wie geht's? Und Nummer 14, Hallihallo. Hallihallo. Hallihallo simply means hello and is also an informal, playful spin for hallo. Hallihallo, wie geht's? Hallihallo. Nummer 15, grüß dich. Grüß dich. Grüß dich is informal and often used among friends. And grüß dich translates to greetings to you. Hi, guten Morgen, grüß dich. Und Nummer 16, was geht? Was geht? Now, was geht is informal, colloquial, and often used among teenagers. Was geht translates to what's up? Was geht? Und Nummer 17, willkommen. You can probably guess already, willkommen means welcome. Willkommen. Again, willkommen. Willkommen. Now, let's combine what we've just learned. Shall we? Los geht's. Guten Morgen. Wie geht's? Again. Guten Morgen. Wie geht's? Good morning. How's it going? Good morning. How are you doing? And the next one. Hallo. Alles klar? Hallo. Alles klar? Hi, hello, what's up? Hallo, alles klar? And I have one more for you. Hallo, guten Abend. Hi, good evening. One more time. Hallo, guten Abend. Now, I hope you learned something pretty useful today. Es hat mich gefreut und wir sehen uns im nächsten Video hier bei Kids German wieder. Bis dahin. Bleibt gesund und tschüss! Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bitte nicht vergessen, einmal Kids German abonnieren. Bis dann, tschüss!